It's like we've forgotten who we are now. We used to look up in the sky and wonder at our place in the stars.
There is something very special deep in my soul I feel when traveling. Sharing those experiences with someone, chasing every sunrise and sunset, creating memories together. Although we can't capture the whole beauty of a place with our cameras, we try, we challenge ourselves each time, and after every travel I feel how we grow as people, as individuals. And isn't that the whole point of life? We are from those dreamers who are doers as well. Some people won't understand us, but that's because words can only be communicative between those who share similar experiences. And when you meet them, the ones who understand you, value them and keep them, grow together. Creating such videos is why my heart beats every day. I can't imagine doing something else with my life, and yet I'm at the wrong place learning how to become someone I don't want to be. And there is this vast world out there waiting to be explored, and I want to leave a positive impact when I die, and this could be even tomorrow. So I'm ready to risk it all. Are you in?
Aloha! Aloha! We're... Aloha! And we have another update. Actually, a bad one, but we are pregnant.
Someday I'll wish upon a star. Wake up where the clouds are far behind me.
Better make it in the video.